Shopping for, and finding the best circular saw can be quite a daunting experience, especially for first-timers. It's even worse if you don't know what exactly you are looking for, what you want to use the saw for, where, and how to use it. There are numerous circular saws on the market today, all of which handle different functions. Not knowing what to look for to find the best circular saw for your projects is where all the troubles start. It is vital to determine and use the features that you believe are relevant and which will lead you to the perfect saw. This article aims to help you do just that by providing you relevant information on everything you need to know to buy a good circular saw. Are you looking for the best circular saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best circular saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At the first position of our list we have the SKILSAW PT67WL01 circular saw. Billed as one of the lightest pro circular saws on the market, the SPT67WL01 is only 8.6 pounds. While working on all-day projects, you will easily notice the difference a lightweight saw can make. A 10-foot power cord will extend your range without having to worry about running out of power with a battery. However, don't think that the lightweight of this saw makes it a lightweight when it comes to power, accuracy, or versatility. Its 15-amp motor is designed to remain cool, even when work sessions go long, and can spin the blade up to 5,300 RPMs. This is a great choice not only for DIYers, but also for professionals who do a lot of framing or other construction work. The saw comes with a standard 7-1/4 inch blade that you can tilt up to 56 degrees for a beveled cut through soft, hard, or engineered wood. The till locks at a 45-degree angle, which speeds up common cuts. And the depth of cut system lets you easily set the saw for a variety of common depths, including 1/4 ply, 1/2 ply, 3/4 ply and 2x boards. The integrated dust blower keeps your line of cut clearly visible and helps maintain the accuracy you're looking for. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the Genesis GCS 445 SE compact circular saw. Not every sawing job calls for the maximum in size and muscle. A compact circular saw has many advantages over the standard size. It's easier to maneuver a compact saw in a tight space, and typically, these saws are lighter in weight, making them easier on your hands when working for extended periods. The Genesis GCS 445 SE compact circular saw is one of the most versatile compact saws available today. With a 4.0 amp motor rated for up to 3,500 revolutions per minute, it packs a powerful punch in a body that is half the weight of many larger circular saws. It's just 4.7 pounds. Plus, it's designed for one-handed use. But the features don't stop there. For messy projects, this saw has a built-in dust port and vacuum adapter to keep the cutting area free of debris. The included tungsten carbide tipped blade is strong enough to cut through any 2x wooden board as well as similar materials, whether cutting straight, rip, or bevel. To use other kinds of blades, all you have to do is remove the existing blade and pop in the other. The number 3rd position we have the Makita SP6000J1 circular saw. If you need the maximum degree of precision possible, the only thing for you to even consider is a rail-guided circular saw. While laser guides are good for making accurate cuts, nothing can compare to the solid guiding line of the rail. The Makita SP6000J1 stands out among circular saws since it will give you this level of precision without being tied down like a table saw. With a 55-inch guide rail, this saw can also make long and repeated cuts while maintaining the same level of precision. The 6-1/2 inch plunge blade. This means that unlike most circular saws, which can only begin a cut from the edge of the material, you can plunge the blade into the material from any point, and 12-amp motor are enough to handle most types of common cuts found on residential and commercial projects. If you think you will be cutting different types of material and thicknesses in one setting, the variable speed control dial will also help you match the speed of the blade to the material you're cutting. Next at number 4 we have the Rockwell RK3440K Versacut circular saw. Anyone looking for a highly versatile and ergonomic circular saw should look at the Rockwell RK3440K Versacut. Its streamlined design makes the Versacut easy to control with just one hand. But while small, it's still powerful enough to handle a wide range of common DIY tasks around the house or garage. It even has a built-in laser guide for accurate cutting. The Versacut is designed to cut a wide variety of materials including woods, plastics, ceramic tiles, and even some metals like aluminum and sheet metal. Unlike most circular saws, which come with just one blade, this tool includes three: one 24T carbide-tipped blade for cutting wood, one 44T HSS blade for cutting aluminum and PVC, and one diamond blade for cutting ceramic tile and cement board. And finally, at number 5th position we have the BLACK+DECKER 7-1/4 inch circular saw. A laser guide can give you a clear and visible reference point when making long cuts that need to be completely straight. The BLACK+DECKER BDECS 300C's built-in laser makes it a breeze to accurately straight cut typical 2X boards, rip cut plywood, and make miter or bevel cuts on typical 2X boards. The 13-amp motor is not the most powerful on the market but is more than adequate for most DIY or home uses. The bevel adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees, and when it's time for a blade change, the spindle lock means no struggles. Plus, at only 7 pounds, the saw is light enough for easy portability and maneuvering, and it's extremely reasonably priced. If you often work with long boards, this is the saw to keep your cuts straight and true from beginning to end. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.